want to share with you an album that I made with my journal book. I want to show you what one of my journal books would look like, and it's made from file folders. So, yay! Welcome to Scrapping It Up. I'm Vanessa Peter, and I created this mini album with a beautiful collection from Simple Stories, the Love Collection. I had taught you how to make a signature. Um, Different ways of folding the paper to create, flips and flaps and pockets within a journal book. So I done that. And then on this side is a mini album aspect that is done out of file folders. All right. So I will put in the description box the two videos that I showed you how to make this journal book. All right. So it just has a belly band that it slides in. And then it does have a ribbon closure. And there's the front. And I did put washi tape here to kind of reinforce the spine. I didn't decorate the back because it's slipping in and out of a belly band. Okay. But I wanted to show you, since I taught you how to make those two different signatures, I wanted to show you what one of my journal books would look like. And it's not a junk journal because I'm not using junk to create it. I'm using leftovers from a collection. So I'm just going to call it a journal book. Okay. I had nothing but just scraps to create this whole album. So here I just done a flip out. And these are my coffee dyed papers. And you just fold and create flips and flaps throughout the album. So here I just created a little tuck space. You can put a photo here, you can journal. Then here you have a pocket for a tag, and then that flips open. And then this here is just a little flip out, and then we have a pocket. So this is a pocket that is formed from folding our paper. And this is out of a journal book that I just tore it out and then coffee dyed it. That just goes in here. Then here we just added a piece of the notebook paper for an extra flip out. And then that flips. Here you have a belly band. Just really cute. And I used nothing but scraps from a collection. Here we have a swing tab. Then that opens up. And you have that. So lots of room for journaling, adding your photographs. Oh, this collection is just beautiful. Then that closes, and then that holds it nice and tidy. And then here you have a little flip up, and it's, glued up here. And then I scored to create that flip up. Just beautiful. Done, the same thing on the back side. Is one big sheet, and I just glued it up here and scored it. So you have that. Then here you have a pocket. And this opens up. It's always fun, just to sit down and just create. Then here, this is the middle of our signature. So I cut the paper out and then just split it in half and created a pocket on both sides. And then I done the love you. Then this flips and you have a pocket here. Then here you have a pocket and a pocket. Pretty neat. So, you could put photo mats in here instead of, your cards. Then that flips. Then we have a pocket here. And I think that is from cutting that one pocket. That is a slanted pocket. Yes, this piece here that I cut off. That's what created this here. So then that opens and you have a pocket here. And then that opens for that. Just beautiful. And that closes. I had the sticker book, just scraps of paper left. I had a few embellishments left. But I wanted to create this, you know, just from scraps. And then you have a little tuck spot here from when we added this piece of paper. I don't think I made, yeah, I did make that a pocket. I forgot about that. So there's another pocket. Then you have a flip out, and then you have a pocket here. But this is just my take, you know, on a journal book. So then we folded here, and I closed this part of the pocket up and left this part open here. And you just have some things from the collection. And then you have a pocket here. Again, what I cut off here, I just put here for a pocket, and then you have a pocket here. And I did teach you how to create this journal. I've done 2 different signatures, and then there's that. And this is a piece that slides in and out. And I goofed up. I was thinking, you know, I should have done a belly band, because that way this would have slid in. Then you could have tied, you know, ran the ribbon from the back. But I wasn't thinking when I have a pocket, I can't tie. So what I'd done is I just ran the ribbon through here to tie it, so it stays nice and neat inside our album. Lessons learned, happy mistake. But yeah, I should have done a belly band. And then this just ties shut. And then the other side is just made out of file folders. All right. So then these flip open. And I used black file folders, or Smeed. I will put the link in the description box where you can go to my Amazon. And I just, you know, I earn just a small commission. If you go through my link, you can order anything you want, but I do earn a small commission. So here we have a pocket. And these are some little booklets that I made to go inside here. Then you have a pocket here and a pocket here. And it just slides in this pocket. Here, you know, my piece of paper wasn't long enough to go the whole spread, so I just divided it. Then here you have a little booklet. And I had the rub-ons too from the collection. Opens up and then opens up. And then again, you have a little pocket here for some tags. Plenty of room to journal. Put your photographs in. Just beautiful. It just fits nice and neat back in the pocket. Then you have this, and here is a little tuck spot that I created. And some more places for photographs. Then this side opens up, and you have a pocket here. And I just put a photo mat there. Here I have another the little journaling books. So this opens, and then you have a flip, and then you have a pocket back here. Okay, so you have a pocket that goes back here. And I just think these little journal books are just so neat to go inside of a pocket. I want to do a whole mini album, you know, a normal mini album with these. Because you guys all know, I'm a mini album maker. And then these flip. And again, I used washi tape here. Then here, this flips down. And then that flips. And then this flips up. And I did leave that open so you could, for your photograph. And then that flips open. Then you have this nice place back here. You can add some photo mats, or you can just, put some photographs down. Oops, this one goes first. But I wanted to share with you, what I made, and share, what my journal book, my take on a junk journal album. And then I created the file folder album over here. Here is the front of the album. So I just, collaged it all up. There's the side. Beautiful paper. So that is my take on a journal book, and, trying to make it into a mini album somewhere to store the journal book. You can take this out and, write and add your photos, and then put it back in here, and then add your photos and do more journaling with the journal books. So you'll have to let me know what you think about this project down below. I'd like to hear what you think of it. And yeah, we'll be talking to you in the next video. All right. Thanks for hanging out with me. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.